What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Roads and Cars. Today we're beginning a new series of videos. Not really something I was trying to do or intended to do, but we got in a bit of a pickle with our FJ here. I'll show you guys in a minute. Point is, we were having this thumping noise coming from the wheel. At first I thought it was a caliper, so I pulled over, checked the caliper, and discovered that it wasn't the caliper. So after further inspection, I couldn't find something that was loose. It just wasn't visible. So we just decided to head back home, and on the way home the inevitable happened, which the wheel literally fell off the truck. So what happened was that the spacer, I have spacers on all four corners, and the lug nuts, they screwed back loose, all of them. Not only that, but two of them actually broke off. So yeah, we're at that. It was a mess. We had like 4 or 5 cops and everything. Obviously, we didn't do anything wrong, so they kind of helped us out a little bit. We managed to put the wheel back on, and this is the beginning of a new set, of a new era. So let me go ahead and show you what the damage is. All right, guys. So here's the damage of our FJ. As you can see, it's not major. It's pretty much the fender here. The wheel landed on this part. So luckily this black plastic is part of the fender flare. Okay. And I already checked the hood and the front part. So nothing else was damaged by this wheel coming off. It was just the fender. So yeah, today we're gonna start rebuilding this. So yeah, let's get it started, guys. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I know for sure we're gonna need a 19 millimeter, and that's for the wheel lug nuts, and a 17 millimeter wrench, which is for these over here behind the wheel bearing. See here the 2 missing studs right there, and you can tell all of the Loctite that we put. So that's why I was taking so long for them to come back out. So we'll get it going. Did put Loctite on these as well. These are the ones they originally backed up, so definitely gotta put some Loctite on. This one is a 7/16. As you can see it right there. Come on. Do it. There you go. 7/16. I got this one at AutoZone. To my surprise, it's actually a 1-inch. And they didn't have like a 1/2-inch socket here, so I was forced to buy this adapter from 1-inch to the regular one that we all have. So there you go, guys. This is the real one. So this is the hard line here, but this is for the ABS sensor, this line for the ABS. So I'm gonna disconnect it from here just so it doesn't pull it. Otherwise, we'll rip those cables here. Easy enough. It is off. Alright, perfect. There we go. This is that. Take off our disc, rotor, disc. Come off. Alright, we're almost free. Now we need to remove these 17s here, and it should be good. So, a nice 7mm.
now. When you forget some things, take off the wheel to put this back on. It happens. It happens. So this is the wheel bearing that we just swapped. This is the real reason why we swapped the two broken studs here, as you can see. So, you know, this is I guess just part of the process and the first piece to be swapped. Now we're gonna get the fender flare and get that all painted to the car's body, the car's paint. So there it is. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. I appreciate your like, your support. Comment if you like this video. Comment what you would like to see on the video, and thank you so much. You have a good one. Peace.